Hey everybody, Renee here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to talk to you about a common Diagnostic Trouble Code, or DTC. Today, the code I'll be talking about is P0128. If you haven't stopped by a store for a free O'Reilly Veriscan diagnostic test, it's a simple way to get a full readout and recommendations that could help with diagnosis and repair. Technically speaking, OBD2 fault code P0128 means coolant temperature is below thermostat. In practical terms, this means that after you start your engine, it isn't warming up to operating temperature as quickly as it should, or reaching operating temperature at all. The causes for this code will be related to your cooling system, components like your thermostat, cooling temperature sensor, or cooling fan, which can all affect the temperature and performance of your engine. Besides your check engine light, you may also notice your vehicle not shifting to its highest gear at highway speed, your temperature gauge reading low, poor fuel economy, or a heater that isn't functioning properly. Whether you notice any symptoms or not, it is not recommended that you drive a vehicle with this code until the problem is diagnosed. Your vehicle may still run, but driving has the potential to make the problem worse or cause damage to other systems. Since the cause of this code can vary from one vehicle to the next, we recommend starting with an O'Reilly Veriscan report. But there are a couple simple things you can check on your own to start with. First, check your coolant to make sure it isn't low or contaminated. This video on how to use an antifreeze tester shows all the steps if you're not sure how. Next, check your cooling fan. Make sure it isn't running constantly while your engine is running. A cooling fan that runs constantly can cause coolant to heat up more slowly than it should and could be caused by a damaged fan, fan relay, or wiring harness. We also have additional resources on our How-To hub to help you diagnose, maintain, and repair your vehicle's cooling system. If you're not sure where to start for this repair, we'd be happy to recommend a professional shop in your area to help you determine which of the possible issues may have caused your code or codes and what your course of action should be. If the necessary repair is one you think you can do yourself, we can get you the parts and supplies you need to get it done right. We hope this video has been helpful, but if you still have questions, we'd love for you to stop by a store, O'ReillyAuto.com, or contact us on social media. We'll see you again soon.